everybody, it's Charlie from Daily Motor. Today we've got the audio system demo of the 2021 Jaguar F-Pace and its 17-speaker, 825-watt Meridian surround audio system. This is going to be an in-depth review. We're going to take a look at the PV infotainment system, take a look at audio inputs, audio controls, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and speaker locations, then get out on the road and listen to these sample tracks while we're rolling, and I'll give you my thoughts at the end. Now, if you don't care about any of that stuff at the beginning, you just want to get to the tunes, click ahead in the video. We've got chapters so you can get right on to the music. Before we get started, let's hop out, take a look at this thing. The leading Jaguar SUV, the F-Pace, well-sized, a mid-size luxury crossover market, sporting the inline 6 motor right here, so smooth. If you want to see more on the F-Pace, check the links in the description. Thanks to Jaguar for inviting us out here, and hopefully we get one of these back at Daily Motor HQ soon for our extensive testing. Now, we always do these tests with lossless, uncompressed WAV audio files on a USB stick plugged directly into the system, and high-quality binaural microphones in both of my ears, giving you the most realistic audio system demo on YouTube. We also do the test with the sound settings set to their factory defaults, just as the audio engineers intended. So let's take a look at those now. Very easy to use infotainment system here. It's new for the 2021 F-Pace. You might have seen it in the Defender, where it launched. Very straightforward layout, nice contrasts, and attractive appearance as well. So let's go to settings, audio, and then you have treble, bass, subwoofer, and then stereo and Meridian settings for surround. Essentially, Meridian is a surround setting, and stereo is more true to the original recording. Let's go through these now. Audio controls, you've got a volume scroller right here and a volume scroller on the left side of the steering wheel. I prefer volume scrollers to rocker switches, so I'm happy to see that. For track selection, no physical controls appear, unfortunately, so you have to be on the player screen and use the touch scrolls, or you got back and forth right on the opposite sides of the volume roller. For audio inputs in the F-Pace, you have your standard AM, FM, Sirius XM satellite radio, Bluetooth, USB-A and USB-C, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support. So what are you missing? Well, there's no wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. There's also no disc player and no 3.5mm auxiliary input jack. So if you're concerned about hi-fi audio, then you're pretty much going to have to be stuck to using Android Auto or Apple CarPlay through the cable. Speaker locations in the F-Pace. Like I said, it is a 17-speaker system with this top-level surround setup. So starting in the bottom left, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up there. That's a mid-range and a tweeter. 6, 7, 8. And in the back, you've got 9, 10, 11, 12. And in the trunk, you have... it's kind of hard to see actually with this thing here. Maybe I'll show you in the back, but there's... Oh, there, right there. 13, 14, 15, 16. Those are coax speakers as well. And then you have... Damn, am I going to be able to get this back on here? There you go. Then you've got 17 subwoofer right up there. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto demonstrations. We're going to start with Apple CarPlay first. Plug in our trusty iPhone 8. And you can see, click right there on this nifty side screen. One of the best looking Apple CarPlay screens I've seen in a long time. It's so large, very high resolution, and very responsive here as well. So you can see you got your move around the map, your music, settings screen right there, and your home menu. Look at that. That looks really nice. I'm impressed. Android Auto. Swap that out. Plug in our Android Auto cable. I also appreciate that there are 2 data ports, one A and one C. So that way you can have Android Auto and something plugged into the USB at the same time. There we go. Android Auto looks really good as well, taking up the whole screen. There's your maps, there is your YouTube music, and then Home menu with settings screen. Again, very responsive. It looks nice. All right, let's fire it up and get on the road. Very well demonstrates the tightness and crispness and power of this Meridian surround audio system. The hi-hat notes are coming through nice and clean. There's a moving power to the bass, and the mid-range isn't coming through too strong. I have noticed getting out of the XF that we just tested and into this, and they both have the same sound system, this car sounds more hollow. There's more of that mid-range exaggeration. That wasn't there in the sedan, and it sounded really, really good. It is present more in this car, so a little bit lower, still very good, but something to be aware of if you're sensitive to those, because the equalizer doesn't have any ability to turn down the mid-range. So you can turn the bass and treble up, but you're not going to be able to quell those mid-range, that hollowness a bit. Speaking of bass, this next song we'll turn the bass all the way up, see how it sounds. I know in the XF, but much worse in this car, a sloppiness of the bass. It's plenty powerful enough. I'm getting mere shakeage, although less in this car than I was in the XF. But you hear that floppiness? It's distorted, and I'm really surprised by that, having this amount of maximum power. Surprised to hear that sort of distortion. Wrapping up my thoughts on the 2021 Jaguar F-Pace's 17-speaker Meridian audio system. Pretty darn good. It is a little step down from the XF though, and I'm surprised by that. Typically in these mid-size SUVs, that allows the best sort of soundstage for the sound engineers. But overall, still very clean, very tight. Disappointed by that sloppy bass, but I really like the infotainment system. I like how great Android Auto and Apple CarPlay work with it. Would be nice to see wireless, but maybe they can implement that in the next year or two. So objectively speaking, strictly on sound quality, this would be falling under an A, with S being the top, F being the bottom, F, E, D, E, C, B, A, S. This is an A tier. Subjectively speaking, for this price point and this sort of vehicle, it'd have to drop down to a B, just because of that sloppiness in the bass. There are definitely competitors at $70,000 that you're gonna get more crispness from. Thank you all so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed getting to hear the F-Pace's Meridian audio system. If you want to see more on the F-Pace, check the links in the description, and we'll see you on the next one. I'm Charlie from Daily Motor, and as always, drive on.